Hey everyone, it's Martin from AMS Performance, and we're here in our R&D center. Now last week we had the Supra on our dyno making about 450 wheel horsepower and almost 500 pounds of torque, and we took it to track. Again, stock car with just a tune, and we ran 1166 at 121 miles an hour, and we pretty much ran all 11s that night, 11.7, 11.8, and we're here now, back here to tear into this thing and try to make some parts for this thing and make it go even faster. Now, a lot of people throw the word R&D around, so we have engineers on staff, we have laser scanner arms, we have rapid prototype printers, we have all the tools necessary to make the best parts for the new Supra. And what we're doing now is we're putting on the AIM data acquisition system. Now we're going to have all the sensors, thermocouples, EGTs, pressure sensors. We're measuring stuff in the intake, the exhaust, the heat exchanger system, basically everything we need to measure to know how the stock parts function, the limitations of them, and also we make new parts, prototypes, so we can see how the improvement goes. And we'll use that to incrementally make better parts until we have a part that's basically a kick-ass for this thing. So we are super excited to release new products for this car and bring you the best products for the new Supra. And check out our webpage, AMS Performance, or Instagram for more information.